Good morning, sir. So could I give a video of this time?
Yeah. Yes. Can you hear me, but?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Be able to solve problem set? Yes.
I did some of the work. I did the homework which you asked, but I could not do practice at 3.6 question 2 second sum.
Wait, let me open the text.
I got stuck.
Okay, you should send me the photograph, no?
Oh, I forgot something.
Okay, 3.6. These sums did you do? Two sums were then, fourth and sixth. These two you got?
Yes, I got that.
And from here? Yeah. And from here?
First one I did, sir. First one, I checked, I got the right answer. And the second one, sir, I could not do. The second one, I got stuck.
Okay. We'll discuss some. Okay, what is going on in the school? Same?
Same, sir. Tuesday we did not have class, and tomorrow we have class.
So they have to learn real numbers in algebra and third chapter in geometry.
And, yeah.
That is triangles construction.
Right.
Okay. Okay, fine. So I'll show you this thing. Let's do. Okay. So this one, what you do is first, as I had said, first x minus 5 whole bracket square. From this bracket here, 25 is a multiple of 5. Yes? Then what you do is take 5 common outside the bracket. So when you take 5 common outside, inside the bracket, you'll be left with x minus 5. 5s are 25. So x minus 5 and this last minus 24 as it is. Did you understand what I did here?
Yes, sir. I did not do it like that, sir. I put x equals 5 upon 25. 25 upon 5, then I got 5, then I did x minus 5.
Okay. One thing keep in mind in such type of sums, no, the bracket here and this bracket here, both should be the same. If it is not the same, you have to do something like this, take out common or something and make it same. That is one main logic that you have to keep in mind while solving such type of sums. Okay, the brackets, the terms inside the bracket should be the same. You see, when I took 5 common outside, then this bracket here and this bracket here became the same. Yeah, x minus 5. So now what you do is you take x minus 5 to be equal to some any other variable, let's say p. Now we'll do the substitution. So this x minus 5 became p and it is whole bracket square. So p square minus 5. X minus 5 became p and this minus 24. Understood? Now this became a quadratic polynomial. So tell me what is A, what is B, and what is C.
A is p square.
Coefficient.
1.
Hmm.
The b is 5.
Just 5? You're missing out the sign.
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Always keep in mind the sign.
And C is minus 24.
Minus 24. So now to find a solution, you have to multiply first A with C. That is 1 multiplied by minus 24, which is minus 24. Now minus 24, you have to split into two numbers, that after multiplying those two numbers, you should get minus 24. And
minus
after adding
3 and
minus 3 and 8. Okay. Minus 3 and 8. But I need minus 5. So if you add this, you will get plus 5, no? If you add this, minus 3 plus 5, minus 3 plus 8, you will get plus 5. But I want B, which is minus 5. What to do?
Yes, sir.
What should I do?
Then
change the signs. Give minus to 8. Minus sign, give it to 8. Don't give it to minus 3. Give it to 8. Now 3 into minus 8 is minus 24. And 3 minus 8 is minus 5, which is B. Got it? Now let's start solving. So our question is p square minus 5p minus 24. So this becomes p square minus 3p minus 8p, sorry, plus 3p minus 8p minus 24. Got it? Now pairing. First pair, second pair. What is common in the first pair? This pair, what can you see?
P is common.
Just P is common. Inside the bracket, P plus 3. In the second pair, what is common? 24 is a multiple of 8. So what is common? 8. So you take minus sign as it is, 8. And this becomes P. 24 is 3s are. 8 3s are 24. Now minus is common outside. So inside it is a plus sign. 3. Always this bracket and this bracket should be the same. So I'll write that P plus 3 and combine the common whatever you took. So P minus 8. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
But we are not done with the sum yet. What is P? P is x minus 5. Resubstitute. Okay, resubstitute P as x minus 5. So here you get x minus 5 plus 3, x minus 5 minus 8. Got it? Now here if you see, this is this a quadratic polynomial? No, no.
No, sir, it's not a quadratic.
It's not. So we don't have to do like the first sum, where again you had to solve it. So this just you do x minus 3 plus 5, minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, and minus 5 minus 8 is 13. No? Minus 13. So this is your answer, x minus 2, x minus 13. Got it?
Yes.
In the previous sum, we had got a quadratic polynomial. No? Yeah, here. Here again, we had got this is the first sum. So you got a quadratic polynomial, and this again you had to solve it. Yes? But this is not like that. Here we did not get a quadratic polynomial. We got a linear polynomial. That's why there was no need to solve. So that's the answer. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write it down. Can you see the entire sum?
Zoom in a little bit, sir.
Okay, I'll scroll down later. You tell me. Let me know. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Just did you check the videos? I have uploaded all the videos for polynomial.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. So that was the second one. Okay, so in this sum, if you see, this bracket here and this bracket here is almost the same, but it is not exactly the same. There is an extra term here, plus 8. If this extra term would not be here, this plus 8, then both the brackets would be same, and then there would be no need to do any rearranging for us. But here, there is this extra term here, so we first have to take care of this extra term and then solve it. Got it? So let's see what to do of that. So the question is x squared minus 6x whole bracket square. So what you do is minus 8. Now this terms inside, I'm just separating it. X squared minus 6x first bracket and this 8 in the second bracket. I'm just separating it and writing it in brackets and nothing else. Minus 64. Got it? Now you multiply this 8 inside the square bracket. So here you will have x squared minus 6x whole bracket square minus 8 into this bracket will become 8 x squared minus 6x plus 8 into 8, 64. Now this is minus and plus. So minus and plus will become minus. So minus 64. And this last minus 64 as it is. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now can you see this bracket and this bracket is the same? Yeah.
Yes.
Now you can do the substitution. Substitute x square minus 6x as any new variable p. So this becomes, sorry. So this is p square minus 8p. And lastly, minus 64 will become minus 128. Okay, that adding. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now from here, will you able to complete the sum?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So write it up to here and complete it for homework. Leave some space. And here will be here, no, in the last step, you will get quadratic polynomials again, like the first sum it is. So you'll have to solve that again and get the answer. So it's a little bit lengthy of this sum.
Done, sir.
Okay. So that you leave at least 1.5, at least 2 pages, because the sum is lengthy. Okay, that sum and the 6th sum is similar. Okay, 3rd one and the 6th sum is similar. But yeah, here you'll have to do bracket to bracket multiplication. Okay. I'll show you the 4th one. Then let's come to the 6th one. Now, if you look at this sum, are these brackets the same?
No, sir.
No, they are not the same. But 2 terms are the same. That is x square minus 2x, x square minus 2x. This is the same in both the brackets. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what you do here is first, we'll do some separation. Okay, just separation, and we do separation by the bracket. So first we'll separate x square minus 2x in one bracket, plus 3 we'll put in another bracket. Same thing we'll do for the other one. X square minus 2x and plus 5 in the other bracket. And this minus 35. Do you understand this? Now can you see this bracket and this bracket is the same. So what you do, x square minus 2x, you take it equal to p. Do the substitution. So this becomes p plus 3. Okay, this is p. And this becomes p plus 5. And that minus 35. Yes? Okay. Now we still not finished solving it. Okay, we cannot directly say that this is a factor. Why? Because there is minus 35 here. Okay, we have to do something of this minus 35. If this minus 35 would not be here, then we could have said directly p plus 3, p plus 5 is a factor, but there is this minus 35 here. So we cannot say that this is a factor. That means we'll have to do some working. So what you do is, you do these 2 brackets, you multiply. Okay, bracket to bracket multiplication. So p into p plus 5 plus 3 into p plus 5 and this minus 35 as it is. Did you understand the step? Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
Now multiply them inside. P into p, p square plus 5p plus 3p plus 15 and this minus 35 as it is. Got it? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this becomes p square. 5p plus 3p is 8p and 15 minus 35 is minus 20. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Now this is a quadratic polynomial. Find out the solution. So first find out A, find out B, find out C. Tell me what is A, B, and C.
1, 8, minus 20.
Minus, multiply A into C. So this is 1 multiplied by minus 20,
Minus 20.
which is minus 20. Now minus 20, you have to split into 2 such numbers that after multiplying those 2 numbers, you get minus 20. And after addition or subtraction, you should get B, which is 8. Can you think of such
10
number?
multiplied by minus 2.
How much?
10 multiplied by minus 2.
10 multiplied by minus 2. Correct. 10 into 2, 20. 10 minus 2 plus 8. So we can do this. So this is p square plus 8p minus 20. So let's do the splitting. P square plus 10p minus 2p minus 20. After this, pair, first pair, second pair. In the first pair, clearly you can see p is common, correct? Then p plus 10 inside the bracket. In the second pair, 20 is a multiple of 2. So you know 2 should be common. So minus sign as it is, 2 common outside. In the bracket here p, since minus is outside, this will be plus, and here 10. 2 tens is 20. So this bracket and this bracket is the same. Write it once, p plus 10, and here p minus 2. Got it? Now
Yes, sir.
resubstitution. Resubstitution. Okay, what we had substituted p, p was x square minus 2x. Okay, so coming back to this, p is x square minus 2x. Do the resubstitution. So x square minus 2x plus 10. And here x square minus 2x minus 2. Got it? And now again we have
Yes.
to solve this and solve this again. I think the textbook second. Okay, fourth one answer is just up to here. I think no need to solve. So back they're saying the answer is up to here only. So don't solve. Keep it here. X square minus 2x plus 10, x square minus 2x minus 2. Got it? Is the sum clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so go through the sum, write it down. Just let me know, then I'll scroll afterwards.
So go scroll down. Done, sir.
Okay, so sixth one is same like the one which we did now. So you see, if it's see, it is y squared plus 5y squared plus 5y minus 2. So what you do is, here you separate it like this, and then you substitute y squared plus 5y as some variable p. This will become p into p minus 2 minus 24. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So then p into p becomes p square minus 2p minus 24. And now we have to solve this. Will you be able to complete this sum? Now?
Okay, sir.
Okay, write it and do it for homework. Leave some space. What happened?
Zooming in, sir. To do the fifth one myself, sir.
What happened?
I have to do the fifth one myself, sir, right? Afterwards.
Fifth one, the fifth one I'll show you. I'll give you the hint for the fifth one also. What to do and how to do, I'll tell you. First do this one, write down this and leave some space, and then you complete it for homework.
Done, sir.
Fifth one. Y plus 2, y minus 3, y plus 8, y plus 3 is plus 56. Okay. Now here what you do is y plus 2, then I'll write y plus 8, then y minus 3 and y plus 3, and then last plus 56 as it is. Got it? What I did? Just
Yes.
rearranging. Okay. Now what you do, you multiply this bracket to bracket and you multiply this bracket to bracket. So I'll put square brackets like this just to differentiate it. So this would become y into y plus 8 plus 2 into y plus 8. Here, if you see, this is of the form a minus b, a plus b. A minus b. This is of the form a minus b, a plus b. What is this formula? A square minus b square. Do you remember?
I think so, sir.
Yes. A minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. So this is of the form a minus b, a plus b. So this becomes a square minus 3 square, which is 9. Okay, and this plus 56. Understood? This comes from this formula.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now just let's complete it. So this becomes y into y square plus 5 into 8, 8y plus 2 into y, 2y plus 2 into 8, 16. And this y square minus 9 as it is. Wait. Actually, this is making our work lengthy. One minute. I'll one another easy way is there. We'll do that one. What we'll do is we'll do bracket to bracket multiplication as it is. I'll not rearrange anything. This two bracket multiply first, and these two brackets will multiply it first. Okay, I'm not rearranging as it is. I'm taking. So this will become y into y minus 3 plus 2 into y minus 3. Same thing in the other bracket. Y into y plus 3 plus 8 into y. No, still this is not helping. Wait, actually this is also not helping. Let me think of something else. See, just look at these last terms. Plus 2 and plus 3 is giving you plus 5. minus 8 and plus 3 is giving plus 5. So we'll take first bracket and last bracket together, and second and the third bracket together we'll take. That should solve our problem. Are you getting what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So I'll rearrange it accordingly. Y plus 2, then y plus 3. Y, because 2 plus 3 is 5. And then I'll take y plus 8 and y minus 3. Why? Because 8 minus 3 also 5 plus 56. Now do the bracket to bracket multiplication. This should help us. So y into y plus 3 plus 2 into y plus 3. Y into y minus 3 plus 8 into y minus 3. Close the bracket, last term plus 56 as it is. Got it? Now let's multiply y square plus 3y plus 2y plus 6 y square minus 3y plus 8y, 8 3s are 24 plus 56. Are these two steps clear?
Yes, sir.
Go through it, go through it. So this will become y square plus 3y plus 2y, 5y plus 6. So this is y square minus 3y plus 8y plus 5y minus 24, and this plus 56 as it is. Just put equal to sign here. Did you understand the step here? I've just added this 3 plus 2, 5, minus 3 plus 8 plus 5. Rest all as it is. Go through it and tell me if you have understood or not. Yes, any doubt?
I understood, sir.
Okay. Now, if you see in these two new brackets, this and this first two terms are the same. So we can do a separation like this. The first bracket y square plus 5y plus 6. Okay, I'm just putting brackets for separation. Then y square plus 5y minus 24. Separating this, and plus 56. So now what we'll do is we'll substitute y square plus 5y as a new variable p. So this changes to p plus 6, p minus 24, and at last plus 56 as it is. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now multiply these two brackets again. So this becomes p into p minus 24 plus 6 into p minus 24 plus 56. This becomes p square minus 24p plus 6p minus 24 into 6 is 4. And this last plus 56 as it is. Got it? Now, p square minus 24 plus 6p is 18. Will become minus 18p, and minus 44 plus 56. This should be minus 88. Tell me if I've understood or no up to here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is a quadratic polynomial. Solve it. Tell me what is A, what is B, and what is C.
A is 1, B is minus 18, C is minus 88.
Multiply A into C. So 1 into minus 88, which is minus 88. Yeah. So you have to split minus 88 into two such numbers. At multiplying, you get 88. Adding or subtracting, you should get minus 18. Can you think?
Who's in?
Minus 22 and minus 22 and 4.
Minus 22 and 4. Correct. Remember, minus 22 into 4 is minus 88, and minus 22 plus 4 is minus 18. So good. So let's do it. So this is p square minus 22p plus 4p minus 88. Clear? Pairing.
Yes, sir.
First pair, second pair. The first pair, p is common. So p minus 22. In the second pair, what is common? 88 is a multiple of 4. So what is common? 4.
Yes, sir.
4.
4.
And then p,
P
since plus sign
minus,
is outside, so minus sign as it is, and here 22. Because 4 into 22 is 88. This bracket and this bracket is same. So write it once, p minus 22. And what you took common, put it in the bracket, p plus 4. Now you do the resubstitution. What is resubstitution? We took p as y square plus 5y. So resubstitute, this becomes y square plus 5y minus 22 and y square plus 5y plus 4. Is this clear?
yes, sir.
So we can either leave this like this only, or see how the answer is back of the textbook. If they want more, then you'll have to solve these two further. Okay, if they don't want, it's okay. You can leave it up to here. This is also correct. It is not wrong. Okay. Let's see how it is behind. Okay, so first bracket as it is, they want you to solve the second one. Y plus 4, y plus 1. So this keep it as it is. First one. Second one, solve it. And you will get y plus 4, y plus 1. Okay, so can you do this solving for homework?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so write down this entire sum first. It's a lengthy sum, okay, but it's easy. And write properly, okay, take as much space required to write.
Because my appointment
So scroll down. Done, sir.
Okay, so we'll stop here. There is only one sum remaining in this exercise. That is seventh one. Okay, so you try doing the seventh one. It's the same like the one that we did now. Okay, you have to just try to make a proper combination and see how it comes, how you get it. Okay, the seventh sum you do for homework. With that, we finish the chapter. Problem set, did you solve these all sums which I had told you to? No?
You didn't say, sir.
Okay.
You didn't say problem, sir.
Okay, so problem set, try solving all the sums of problem set because all are very, at least till 9. Sorry, at least till question number 10 to do it. Okay, 11 to 15, if you don't do also, it's okay, but try them, but at least till 10, do all. So by next week, try to finish this problem set entire. Okay, check your answers behind. If you're if it is matching, well and good. If it doesn't match, you mark and keep that this I did not get and send me photographs of all of it.
Yes.
Okay, and then we'll keep one class separate only to discuss problems and questions of this chapter.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow I'll start with the third lesson of geometry. So we'll stop here. So tomorrow be ready with geometry. Geometry, which chapter it is?